Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix the mic delay on OBS. Now it's going to be extremely simple, and before we proceed you also want to make sure that your Windows is up to date. Simply search for update on your Windows Start menu, navigate through the check for updates option, and make sure that there's no pending updates right here. Now inside the OBS application you have the audio mixer. So navigate through your own mic and aux format, click on the three dots, click properties, and then you want to make sure that you have chosen the right microphone that you are basically using. Navigate through the advanced audio properties, and as you can see, we have the name of our microphone, status, volume, mono, balance, and finally we have this sync offset. Now, if you want to go ahead and sync both your desktop and your microphone, make sure that it is set to 0 ms. So from there, click close, and that's basically it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.